On February the 6th, 2011, I applied for Martin Luther King's job. Y'all locked me up and charged me with terrorism. I've been charged in 2 different states with terrorism, in Illinois and Maryland. You locked me up for 186 days in Illinois and 86 days in Maryland. Just like letters from a Birmingham jail, I got letters from Zion. That's the 1964 Public Accommodations Act. That means I got right to access to court. We marched for those rights. We fought for those rights. So I put it in a book. We weaving in Baltimore, weaving a better Baltimore, weaving a better society. These are the charges. The same way that you charged Martin Luther King, you charged me. The same thing that you did to Martin Luther King, you did to me. Illinois, Maryland, city, county, state, and federal levels. I've been pursued by the FBI. I've been pursued by the Department of Justice. I've been pursued by Secret Service. Yeah. On February the 2nd, my mother died from cancer and y'all locked me up. So like I said, I put it in a book. I'm making a movie about y'all. That's Scott Shellenberger, and that's the toilet called Public Accommodations Act. That's February 2nd, 2011. That's at the States Attorney's Office at 8:52 a.m. All right? Greg Bernstein. All right? Like I said, it's a documentary about your prison industry, racism in the federal system. ABC, CBS, Fox 45, y'all know about this. The Baltimore Sun. I'm not Emmett Till. I don't stutter when I talk. I'm just like Martin Luther King taught me, the campaign of public shame. And I'm going to publicly shame y'all. That's Governor O'Malley's mob machine. Just like D.C. Stevens in the 1920s, O'Malley created a criminal enterprise with judges, lawyers, and politicians. These are the judges, the lawyers, and Marilyn Mosby's part of it. Nick Mosby's part of it. The Maryland Black Caucus is part of it, because y'all protecting Governor O'Malley. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's a legal notice, and all this is perfectly legal. All right? Like I said, I put it in the book. Whistleblowers Act 2018, I put it in a book, and I blew the whistle on you. I gave you the ceasefire program. That's the FBI. That's the Department of Justice. The ACLU from 2007. The ACLU, Judge Bridges. Yeah, Judge Hall. 2018, Ben Jealous had this. If you go to Benjamin Jealous, he had this. Mary Washington got this. McFadden got this. Kurt Anderson got this. All right? Y'all want to pass gay marriage, and y'all left us locked up. That's Ivan Bates, and he got this too. You feel me? Ivan Bates got this. And it's right here. Racism in the judicial system. FBI, ABC, CBS. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. And making a movie about you ain't against the law. You feel me? Making a movie ain't against the law. We put it in a book. Talking about Jim Crow, Scott Shellenberger, Marilyn Mosby, the Democratic Party. I gave you Martin Luther King. I gave you letters from a Birmingham jail. Yeah, I gave you the march to Selma. I practice what I preach. That's Natasha from the Public Defender's Office. All right? So you got this. We talking about the Constitution. I'm the founding member of the Baltimore Block. I got a freedom of speech. I got a freedom of assembly. I got a right to make a movie and a documentary. It's covered under the First Amendment. In 2023, we going to the Supreme Court. That's Chief Justice Roberts. Those are 5 members of the Supreme Court. Public Accommodations Act. I don't get no justice. You don't get no peace.